Hi friends, welcome back to YouTuber. I am your friend Utkarsh. Today I am here with something very interesting. It is very easy to do and amazing to look at. Hope you know we can create lots of different patterns with cubes. Today I am taking the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. To create these patterns, all you need is a solved cube. And if your cube is shuffled, then you please solve it. In case you are new to cube solving, then you can watch my 3x3 Rubik's Cube videos in Hindi and in English. Links for the same are available in the description box below. Today, we will be creating three patterns: the checkerboard pattern, 6 dot pattern, and 4 dot pattern. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. To make the checkerboard pattern, we use 4 layers. The first one is right layer, second one is left layer, the third one is upper layer, and the last one is a down layer. When we will apply the following algorithm 3 times, then we will get our checkerboard pattern ready. So the algorithm is R L prime U D prime, R L prime U D prime. One more time, R L prime U and D prime. See, we have created such a beautiful pattern so easily. Now let's move to our second pattern, which is the 6-dot pattern. For making the 6-dot pattern, we use 2 layers. The first layer is our middle layer M or M slice, and the second layer is our E layer or E slice. So we will cycle this centerpiece, and this centerpiece in the clockwise direction. And the same here, this centerpiece, and this centerpiece in the clockwise direction. So for making this, first we will rotate our E layer or E slice in the clockwise direction, and then we will rotate the middle layer or M slice in the anti-clockwise direction. Now we will rotate the E layer in the anti-clockwise direction. Now we will rotate the middle layer in the clockwise direction. These all centers are now clockwise cycled, and our second pattern is also ready. Now let's get to our third pattern, that is 4-dot pattern. When we will be making 4-dot pattern, any two opposite sides of the cube will remain solved. I am picking the white and yellow color. You may choose any two opposite faces. Whichever the colors you have chosen, you will keep one on your right side and the other on your left side. To create the 4-dot pattern, we need to apply one algorithm, and we will move the 4 centers to the center position of their opposite faces. Now let's apply the algorithm. M2 U2 M2 and U2. This edge piece and this edge piece will be in our front layer, and we will keep one in our upper layer and the other one in our down layer, and the face facing towards you should be solved, and we will apply the same algorithm here. M2, U2, M2 and U2. Now we need to rotate the middle layer twice, that is 180 degree in any direction. So M2. Now our 4-dot pattern is ready. I hope you have liked the video. So please like, share, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you never miss an update. See you soon with another video. Bye.